Thank you very much for your attention to this lecture about practical histology female reproductive system. 1. Slide microscopic about histology ovary tissue. First time, you must use of low length or number 4 length. When you see by this lens, you can see this picture. This is a ovary tissue divided two parts. One part cortex, this is a cortex, and is medulla. Medulla consists of loose connective tissue and smooth muscle and hilus cell. Hilus cell morphology is circular nucleus and cytoplasm eosinophilic stain. The cortex consists of outer to inner vaginalis layer or tunica. This layer consists of simple cuboidal cell. The below of this part, you have albuginea tunica. These layers have loose areolar connective tissue and full of primary follicle and secondary follicle and Graafian follicle. Okay. And then use of medium length. By this length, you observe this form of cortex ovary. Outer to inner consists of one tunica vaginalis and tunica albuginea and primary oocyte. Primary oocyte consists of oocyte and one layer outer of this cell. Some books about this cell say origin of cuboidal cell tunica vaginalis. And then secondary follicle. Secondary follicle consists of oocyte, rounded oocyte zona pellucida, and rounded zona pellucida proliferation of cell. Okay, this is the oocyte, this is the zona pellucida, this is the proliferation rounded of cell. Rounded of cell covered by connective tissue. This name is secondary follicle. This is a Graafian or Graafian follicle. Yes, this is the oocyte, this is the zona pellucida, and this corona radiata. Okay, and this cumulus oophrus, and then this is granular cell. All cell rounded oocyte change to secretory cell. What is the name of this secretory cell? Granular cell. And in this part, anthrome. Okay, rounded of granular cell, you have theca. This is theca. Theca interna and theca externa. Theca interna and theca externa. Very good. This is a Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle consists of oocyte, corona radiata, cumulus oophrus, granular cell, and theca interna and theca externa. Okay. Next slide. Histology uterus tissue. This is a uterus. First time, use of low length. You can see histology of uterus tissue divided three parts. One, endometrium, okay, myometrium, perimetrium, okay, and then change lens, please. You can see this picture, okay. Only endometrium consists of surface layer, spongy layer, basal layer, okay. This is surface layer and spongy layer is formed functional layer, okay. Surface layer in this part, spongy layer in this part, basal layer in this part, okay. Thank you. Next slide. Histology cervix tissue. Cervix tissue, you can use lens and observe tissue cervix. Tissue cervix divided two parts. One, endocervix. Two, exocervix. Endocervix consists of mucosa. Mucosa consists of simple columnar cell and glands. What is the name of these glands? Nabothian glands, okay? This gland similar to uterus gland, okay? And supported by lamina propria. This is exocervix. Exocervix consists of epithelial. This is epithelial stratified squamous without keratinides, supported by lamina propria. This part jointed to vagina. Next slide. Histology vaginal tissue, okay? You can see of lowlands and medium and observed mucosa, muscularis, adventitia. Okay. Mucosa consists of stratified squamous non-keratinized and supported by lamina propria. Thank you very much for your attention. This part. Very good.